All right, guys, we got Paul here with his S197 2014, also just like mine's. He's going to explain his setup he has on there currently for the exhaust, and then I'll explain mine's. But go ahead, Paul.
I have cat deletes, and I have a Borla off-road X-pipe, resonator deletes, and then Corsa Sports.
Alrighty, and then for my setup, I have the Roush axle backs with the JBA off-road X and a resonator delete. So we're gonna see the difference between the two setups. We're gonna do $2,000, 3,500, $5,000, and then we're gonna go all the way to 7,500 for y'all. And then we'll do like a little drive-by video so y'all can get an example of how they would sound on an aggressive sound and on a, I guess, all the way throttle also. So we'll see.